Hello, good day everyone, and in this video we are going to solve this question, and we have a 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x. This is equal to square root 77 raised to the power x minus 21 raised to the power x, and we find the value of x. So let's start. So in the first step, to remove this square root, we take a square on both sides of this equation. So we have a 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x. Take a square on this side and also take a square on this side. So just 77 raised to the power x minus 121 raised to the power x, and we have a square root. So take a square on this side. And in the next step, this square and square root will cancel. We get a 77 raised to the power x minus 121 raised to the power x. And we write this as a 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x. This is a square, so we multiply this by 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x. So in the next step, look at this. This is our 77. So we write this as a 7 multiply 11 whole raised to the power x. And we write this as a 11 multiply 11 whole raised to the power is x. Now in the next step, we copy this side. 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x, and this is 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x. Now in the next step, we use this identity, which is a multiply b whole raised to the power n. We write this as a raised to the power n multiply b raised to the power n. We apply this property on right hand side and we copy the left hand side. This is a 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x, and 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x. And this will become a 7 raised to the power x multiply 11 raised to the power x. And the second term will become a 11 raised to the power x multiply 11 raised to the power x. And look at this. 11 raised to the power x involved in these two terms. So we factor out 11 raised to the power x. Then this first term is a 7 raised to the power x, and this will 11 raised to the power x. And we copy this side. 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x. Multiply this by 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x. Now in the next step, this whole term will cancel with this one, and the remaining value is our 7 raised to the power x minus 11 raised to the power x. Now right hand side is just 11 raised to the power x. Now we add a 11 raised to the power x on both sides of this equation. So we have a 7 raised to the power x is equal to 11 raised to the power x plus 11 raised to the power x, and this will become a 2 times of 11 raised to the power x, and this is a 7 raised to the power x. In the next step, we divide this equation by 11 raised to the power x on both sides. So this 11 raised to the power x and 11 raised to the power x will cancel. We just get 2. And on this side, we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n over b raised to the power n. We write this as a over b whole raised to the power n. So we apply this identity on left hand side. Then we have a 7 over 11 whole raised to the power x. In the next step, we take a log on both sides of this equation. So take a log on this side and also on this side. And we use the property of log, which is a log a raised to the power n. This is equal to n time log a. So we apply this property on this term. Then this is a x time log 7 over 11. This is equal to log 2. We just find the value of x for this. We divide this equation by log 7 over 11 on both sides. X is equals to log 2 over, this is a log 7 over 11. This is the value of x. So this is the value of x in our question, and this value is equal to minus 1.5336. This is the value of x in our question, and we have done. Thank you.